Hey guys, this is Ryan Dunn with One and Dunne Radio. Follow my show on iTunes, Spotify, Podomatic, plenty of outlets out there to listen to it, or even on Twitter at One Dunne Radio. Today I do have an unboxing for you today. This episode is sponsored by Society Socks. They were nice enough to send me 2 pairs of socks in the mail to review. A little backstory about the company. If you don't know much about them, it's like a subscription plan with this company, okay? And what's cool about this company, and this kind of actually says it right here, bold socks with social cause, okay? What that means is every time you buy a pair of socks from them, or you sign up for their plan where they give you 2 pairs of socks per month, they actually donate pairs to charity, which is really cool. And so with this, I'm gonna actually open it up. What's nice is that they put my show, One and Dunne, on there. I have everything blocked so you can't see it. Now, if you're like me, and I actually love funky socks, I wear funky socks to work. And if you're also like me, and you know, if you have a dog who likes to chew your socks, and your girlfriend that loves to wear your socks. Really? And getting new socks all the time is actually something that's really exciting, especially when they're torn up. So with this, it's gonna be kind of cool to see what they actually sent my way. It's hard to open. So I got them open finally, and this is actually what they sent me in the mail, which is actually pretty cool. You got orcas or whales, and then you got laser socks. So they sent me these 2 in the mail. The sizes are men's 7 to 13. Really like the material actually. Again, they have the branding on there, Society Socks. The subscriptions, how they work is that it's actually gonna be $20 per month, or you can actually prepay. You can do 3 months for $57 for the 3 months. You can do 6 months for $109, or you can do 12 months for $199. I'll actually try a pair, one of these pairs on. I don't know which pair I'm gonna try. I'll do the orcas.
The orcas look so cute.
Okay, so I'll just take these apart. Very easy to take apart, no doubt about that one. Now I'm a size 13, so this obviously is on the borderline. But actually, a lot of times with size 13, I actually have a very hard time putting them on because I had to like maneuver, if that makes sense. So with these ones, actually not too bad. Let me show you what they look like. So as you see, size 13, it's actually very comfortable and very nice. And like I said, slide on with no problem. Not really an issue at all as far as that, because like I said, sometimes I had those size 13 ones or go up to size 13. They had to pull in certain ways. These ones were actually very easy to put on. Society Socks, they rock.